Hello all, welcome to Technostack. In the section of learning Python, today we are going to see the second video to this series, that is advantages of Python. So starting with, there are few advantages of Python, which is why it is preferred over other languages that are currently being used. So this is the last theory section of this series. From the next series, we'll be starting the coding of Python and installation procedures. So stay tuned for that. So let's start this video, that is advantages of Python. So there are these advantages of Python. The first is easy syntax. As Python doesn't follow the routine syntaxes of all the other languages, that is, you don't need semicolon at the end of every line of code. Other than that, the syntaxes are very human-like language interpreted syntax. Like if you want to print, it's print. If it's add, then it's add. You don't have to remember a lot of syntaxes, as there are very normal languagey type syntaxes, so there are easy syntaxes available for Python. Next is readability. Whenever you read a Python code, you don't actually need comments to actually interpret what the code tells you. Just by reading the code, as it is a high level language, you can just get that what the code wants you to perform or what will be the output of the code. Okay, so even if like you have your comments, it is good for your program. It's always preferred to write comments, but even if you don't, Python is such a high level language that its readability is very efficiently managed. The next, it is high level language, that is same as the above point. It is English like level languages that easily can be formed. The syntax can easily be formed and can be interpreted. Next, it is open source, which is one of the reason why it is used very much widely is because all the Python versions, libraries, everything is available open source, free of cost for everyone to use. It is cross-platform, that is, you can use it on Mac, Windows, Linux, any of the operating systems on any of the versions. So Python is a cross-platform, and it is extensible, that is, you can use it with combining other libraries. You can use it in other softwares also. You can correlate it with other softwares. You can combine it with other softwares. So it is known as extensible language. So these are some basic advantages of Python. The two above to this uh, video and the above video were created so that in theories, some theories are clear. And apart from that, if you are preparing for any college level college or university exams, you have some content to write to it. So from next video, we are starting with the installation process. So stay tuned for this. Watch the entire series of Python and stay tuned to Technostack. Thank you for watching this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe our channel. Thank you.